Did you know that due to the wildfires in California, thousands of people have lost their homes and the economy has been severely impacted, causing damage worth billions of dollars? But here's the thing. At this very moment, there is a way to start a successful business even in this devastating situation. You can start with minimal investment and you can still generate significant profit. How? Let's find out. The California wildfires haven't only caused loss of life, but the economy of the entire region has been severely disrupted. Businesses have been ruined, and many people have lost their jobs. But this is not the first time that people have bounced back from such situations. The only way to get out of this crisis is to start a new business, but in a way that doesn't require a large initial investment. And yes, it is possible. So how can you take advantage of this situation and make a profit? It doesn't matter how much capital you have. What matters is your business idea and strategy. The best model to pursue right now is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a model where you don't keep any stock of products yourself. Instead, you directly ship the products from the supplier to the customer. This means you don't need to make a large investment up front, but you'll need to focus on marketing the products and setting up a website. The wildfires in California have devastated many businesses, but that doesn't mean the opportunities for business have diminished. On the contrary, this is the time when new opportunities arise. If you start an online business, you'll be able to reach customers worldwide without any geographical limitations. With digital marketing, social media, and email marketing, you can easily promote your products and grow your business. Now, you might be wondering, if your budget is limited, how can you start a business? The best approach is to begin with a small product line. Start with just 2-3 products that are trending or in high demand in the market right now. By promoting these products on social media, you can start making sales. This way, you'll use your limited budget wisely. Now, how do you market your business? For that, you need to be very smart with your marketing efforts. Influencer marketing on social media can be a very powerful tool, where you collaborate with popular influencers to promote your products. Additionally, you can run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok campaigns to promote your products with a relatively low budget. Yes, it will take time and effort, but if you want to start from scratch, this is one of the most effective ways. Now, after starting your business, how can you scale it and make more money? First, once you select the right products and use the right marketing strategies, your revenue will grow steadily. Once you establish your business, you can add more products or even launch additional services. Continuous customer growth and their reviews will help you improve and grow further. So this is your opportunity. If you want to start from scratch with minimal investment, dropshipping can be a great option. You should seize this opportunity and connect with the entire market. Start your business today, because even in the wake of the California fires, you as an entrepreneur can make the right decision. You too can be successful. This script is structured to address the economic situation after the California wildfires, while presenting a business opportunity that doesn't require a large investment. Thank you for watching this video on Future Funders, where we help you take charge of your financial future. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Future Funders and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the tips and strategies that can take your finances to the next level. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.